kabalin, welcome to Where in Pampanga.
For today's vlog, nandito tayo sa one of the oldest buffet dito sa Pampanga.
So guys, this is Holiday Land Buffet. And para sa video na to, titingnan natin yung kanilang mga signature dishes. And at the same time, papakita natin kumusta na ba yung Holiday Land ngayong 2023.
Yes, so as low as 268 pesos, makapag-dine in ka na dito.
Ayun guys, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
Kung nakabisita na kayo dito sa Holiday Land, for sure, you're gonna recognize this dining area. Ayan. So, this is the main dining area. Yung main buffet natin is at my back. Punta naman tayo dito sa parang events place nila, no?
So this is the alfresco place natin. So pwede kayo mag-dine in dito. At the same time, on the back side naman natin, meron tayong events place dito na they can accommodate 100 packs to 250 people.
So, if you want an alfresco experience, get your food, pick a table dito,
Yes.
you're gonna experience alfresco dining.
At the same time, during the evening, they offer BBZ.
Whoa!
Below zero na
There's
mga
the
drinks.
BBZ.
Yan.
Ayan. Alright. Alright, so ito yung pinaka main buffet table nila. Since main buffet ito yung papakita natin sa inyo. Ito yung mga dishes. Actually, from here, around 10 different dishes. Ayan, so pinaka staple dito guys is yung kanilang balut, yung kare-kare at saka yung pako. And then other dishes may vary, depende sa araw yon. Meron din sila ditong palabok and then inis bringhi, sa Kapampangan bringhi.
So meron din tayo dito yung kanilang kaldereta.
Kaldereta.
Meron din yung kanilang
Humba.
hamon.
Hamon.
Tokwa baboy. Chop suey.
Yes.
Yung kanilang
Crispy
ulo.
Adobo.
Adobo. Meron din tayong kalyos.
Yay.
Meron din tayo dito. Siyempre, hindi mawawala dyan yung kanilang all-time dish, yung kanilang
Balot.
balot and kare-kare.
Alright. So I think I'm gonna go for that one, yung hamon. Ayan. Lipat lang ako. Kuha na tayo dito guys. Kuha na tayo dito. On top. Super. Yan. Dito, you can customize your pako. So usually pako natin, meron siyang sibuyas, kamatis, pero dito may available pang ensalada. So meron tayo ditong mangga at saka pipino. So gusto ko guys, lagyan natin siya ng mangga. Just like this. Yun no. Sarap. Alright, so once again, thank you so much for being with us dito po sa Holiday Land, located sa may Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga.
Yes, imagine this is the one of the oldest
Exactly,
buffet
bro.
dito sa San Fernando. Nag-start sila 1990. Hindi pa ako pinapanganak, nag-start na sila mag-buffet.
So imagine, today is 2023. Surviving that kind of years, talaga namang sigurong dinadayo at gusto siya.
Yes.
Kaya nagtagal.
Actually, on our table, ito yung mga favorites natin.
Yes.
Lalong-lalo na yung mga signatures nila, like yung balot,
Yes.
yung pako, and yung kare-kare.
So again, these are just the staple. Meron ba tayong hindi nakuha dito? To start yung kainan natin, ito yung mga nakuha nga natin. Alright? So, included sa table natin, meron din silang mga bagong a la carte na dishes.
Yes.
Ayan.
So, meron tayo dito yung kanilang tapang kalabaw,
Wow.
and yung kanilang sizzling chicken.
Sizzling.
This is part of their a la carte na wala sa buffet.
Exactly.
At the same time, sa mga drinks naman nila, ito yung kanilang pinagmamalaking chocolate batirol.
All-day breakfast drink. Chocolate batirol.
Wow. Sila rin yung gumagawa dito.
Yeah.
Yes.
Alright, let's start bro.
Yep.
So take note guys, no, full meal po yung mga dito. So you got your main courses, main meals, up to the dessert. So meron tayo dito mga kakanin, halo-halo.
Yes.
Diba? Dito, halo-halo all you can, bro.
Halo-halo all you can. And good thing here is wala silang window time. So from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., lahat yun is buffet. Anytime pwede kayong pumunta to take their buffet.
Alright.
So speaking of Holiday Land, they are open for events. So
Yes.
you could have your events here from your weddings, birthdays.
Bumisita na din tayo dito before, but I think some of the improvements here, parang meron na tayong mga rooms.
Yes. Meron na tayong mga small rooms for 10 packs.
Wow.
Hanggang 130 packs pwede na lang accommodate.
So right now, nandito tayo sa isang room nila. This is air condition. I think you can have your private
Meetings. Yes.
Diba?
Intimate celebration.
Exactly. Woo! Another busog day, brother.
Yes, so dito lang yan sa may Holiday Land. Pinaka-location lang natin dito is it is along Jaza Road, Dolores, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. And they are open from 7 a.m. until 10 p.m. Monday to Sunday.
Alright, so if you're looking for an events place for your occasion, for your private party, guys, consider this one. It's an unlimited buffet. Sure. Ako, sulit yung pagkain dito, bro.
Yeah, so as low as 268 pesos, unlimited buffet na. And talagang sold na.
Alright, if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next video.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Yep. Bye, guys.